What is up, YouTube Chess here, and today I'm here with Fabio. Fabio, what did you play and how did you perform today?
So I played Cash. Yesterday I was playing actually Sprite, but me and a friend were thinking about to switch the deck, and I'm really comfortable with this deck, and yeah.
Okay, yeah, check
And
it out.
I tried another build today because
Yeah.
I think like the build with like a Rise Pass or something like really random things with hand traps and so I don't think like this is the way with to go with Cash.
Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, let's see.
Um, so like the standard ratio, I think like this, I don't need to explain it. Only one rise art. The reason behind it is it doesn't make your combo more consistent. It's like more like a brick, and on its own doesn't do anything.
Okay.
Yeah, it's only good with Birth or Theosis. But yeah, it's a really bad two-card combo with a two off if you play the two and three off. Like it's,
Yeah.
the only monsters, like non-engine monsters, this is for cross-out targets. This one won me a game against PK.
Oh, well.
Yes. And this one won me a game against Runic. So
Okay. The cross-out targets
yes,
be like.
yes, yes. So the normal ratio with the spells, like this card, I can't say anything. It's so stupid.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
yeah.
Top deck, birth,
Yeah.
win game.
One big bang. No preparations. Preparations is a brick, and if you don't play a rise pass, it is really bad.
Oh, understandable, yeah.
So yeah, it is only good in the mirror match because you can recur like things, monsters and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, for the mirror you can sign it. I saw some people signing it, but I don't think like it's really good. So, and actually this won me a game with the fact.
Oh, okay.
Because he didn't know that this card is for both players. So if they control and a cash, so we can flip this.
Yeah.
And, so yeah, crossout. Won me 2 games,
Yeah.
but wasn't like that impactful.
Yeah.
It's good against, like I said, Nibiru and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it isn't like that impressive, but it's a really good card. Like the ratios are really weird. It's like one thing that I don't like about the deck.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I
Would you keep it?
Yeah, yeah. Because even if you can zone lock for 5 and you have this one, you have pretty much won. But it's sometimes it like feels like more like a win more.
Yeah.
So yeah. Um,
Yeah. Yeah.
Best card. I think like this card could get limited because it is so good.
Yeah.
Like pretty much you can fetch everything evenly, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. This wasn't that good. Many players did cut books. So like only the mirror match is good against Runic, but I didn't do it. So yeah. I don't think you need to play it. You can if you really feel like the books and all kind of stuff. So yeah, I didn't like it too much today. Book. I only had 2 because of crossout. Pretty good card. Insane in the mirror match. Yeah. I didn't play Eclipse for it because I think Eclipse is a pretty bad card, and I don't think like people should play it like in a deck. You can play it in a deck who isn't that consistent and can't break boards so easily.
Yeah.
So you can play Book of Eclipse, not like. But this card is so more flexible because even like if you have hands where you break and you have Book of Eclipse, like the card doesn't do anything. So this card is more like flexible because your opponent can draw like 3 cards. In the end, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's going first. Book of Eclipse doesn't do anything. It's more like, yeah, I don't know. I don't like the card. But the MVP. So this card won me 4 games. So I think I need to keep it. The reason behind it was because you play crossouts, so you minimize your non-engine slots, So if you have two evenly or like two imperms and all kind of stuff, so you can play this card for the third copy of all of these cards.
Yeah.
So you have like more flexible. It's more flexible. And this one was like a random choice.
Yeah.
Was a good card. Won me the game in the last round. I drew this and then I snatched this unicorn for game. So,
Nice.
and shoutouts to Marvin for actually saying I should play this card. And yeah. Yeah. So like the other two non-engines, this wasn't that good. I think it isn't that impactful. This card won me 2 games or something like that. Yeah.
Alright.
Like I said, yeah, you can see,
Yeah.
you have 3 copies. So then extra deck isn't like that special. I played Amarush for Ibli. The reason behind it was I saw a couple of lists. We didn't play Ibli, but I think Ibli is like too good to not play. So I wanted to fetch it in, and yeah. And the next card, Goliath. Like I think you shouldn't cut this card in this deck because Gamma is really popular. So you don't go that minus, and yeah, you can still have the effect to banish. It's better than the Rise gets out of it. So, didn't summon it once. Used it only once to draw 1 card. Wasn't like that impactful. It's only for prosperity. Yeah. This is like standard cash extra deck. Starlight, let's go.
Let's go.
Didn't summon it once. Summoned 4, 5 times, like I don't know. This won me every cash mirror.
Yeah.
This one actually, with the field spell, was pretty good.
Yeah.
Like against except the game state, I mean in a game state where like both players are on low resources.
Yeah.
This card with a field spell is so good.
Yeah.
So the theory behind is like more you can like put this next to monster zone, then like against mirror match you can pop births and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So you get a Fenrir, then pop birth. You have like pretty much if they don't have more extenders, they have lost. So the only bad thing about it is in the mirror match you can build. You can slap a Rise over every cash.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the only bad thing about the card. But it is what it is.
It is what it is.
So the extra deck, the side deck was made with Marvin. Like in the car, we were talking about it, and I was asking for some opinions about cards in this deck.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one is only because I only pay 2 ashes. And it's more like I can start against branded.
Yeah.
And I didn't play any branded. I think deck sucks. So I'm sorry for every branded player. Shoutouts to every branded player. No, joke. Kurikara didn't summon it once. The reason behind it was more if you play the mirror match or Sprite. Sprite is the worst matchup. And yeah, I wanted to have something for it. You can play Dark Order for this too, but I wanted to test it out. Didn't summon once, so yeah. Ibli, stupid card.
Yeah.
Even if I don't summon it once, it would have won me every game. I could summon it. So yeah, I think the card is stupid. MVP.
Yeah. Go next.
Dark World, Despia.
Yeah.
Against Sprite variants, Runic variants.
Yeah.
Insane card. This one is a little bit weird. So I played a second copy of it. So I have, if I side this 2 cards, I have a third copy of it.
Yeah.
If I draw Then I have 2 Frost in my main.
Yeah.
So this one is a third copy, this one is a third copy.
Yeah.
And this one actually won me a game against Cash.
Yeah.
Against Runic too. Not Runic, sorry. Another Sprite. Yeah, it was a Sprite matchup. Pretty good card. And the Fury behind was again with Marvin.
Yeah.
So I can if I get evenly locked, so I can destroy this and I can out the board.
Yeah.
So yeah, you have a lot of 1-for-1 trades, and so you can bait the carrot or something like that, and then you can activate this card. This one was I never activated this card in this tournament, but in Fury is pretty good because if you play against every runic variant and you don't have shifter, you have like other cards.
Yeah.
And this one is like a third copy of it
Yeah.
in a weird way. It is
Yeah.
like that good, like this card in some scenarios. But yeah, and again you have a third copy or fourth copy if they hand trap you, and a third copy of this card. So yeah, this was the reason behind it. And yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Fabio, thank you for the deck profile. Do you want to do any shoutouts?
Yeah, have a shout out.
Oh, good.
Shout out to Marvin Camera, to Team Oni, even if I don't play with them anymore or in the team. Shout out to Team Jim. Yeah.
Nice. Fabio?
No, sorry. Shout out to him. To the Balic brothers. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Nice. Fabio, thank you so much again and have a nice evening.
Yeah.
Bye.